Hello leaders, good day. Today, Coach Mondo again with you, and we are still on the 8 basics of success. Today is a presentation skills. How can you present your company presentation, your business presentation, your opportunity presentation in the right way? The presentation skills are very simple. Anyone can do it with little guidance from your partner or from your sponsor or from your upline, from your expert friend. Everything is good there. So it takes 20 minutes of preparation for each 1 minute of presentation. It's very important to prepare your papers, to prepare how are you going to proceed with your presentation, from where to start, how to break the ice, everything like that. Number two, your slides should be a billboard, not a document. You are not going to give people a master degree or bachelor degree in what you are saying to them. They need to understand it in a very simple way. Make it simple for them. The success of your presentation will be judged not by the knowledge you send, but by what the listener receives. Remember that. How to get ready for your first presentation. First of all, you need to look nice. If you are nice, then you need to look nicer. How can you do that? Very simple. Brush your teeth. It's very important to see it looking as white teeth, okay? Formal wear is going to be awesome. A good chemise maybe, or a good shirt there. Use your perfume. You know, let's grab some attention here. Be there before your prospect. Never be late. You need to even go there to this meeting 10 minutes before or 15 minutes before to choose the right table, to choose the right place where you can sit together. Yes, it should be quiet and comfortable. Always look for that quiet and comfortable place and table. Before you begin anything, you need to break the ice. You need to talk with the prospect. You need to know him more. You need to break the ice. You need also to show respect to your upline or to your presenter, or your friend should show respect to you if you are the presenter. And the presenter will take care of the whole meeting. Never argue or interrupt the presentation. If you are having a friend, an expert friend with you, never argue or interrupt his presentation, okay? Write down everything. Ask your upline or your expert friend privately after the meeting. Why? Because the prospect is still newbie, is still the first time to listen to this presentation. So he's a newbie. His questions are somehow very simple, but you are an intermediate level now. Your questions are maybe little harder. Maybe when you ask it, the prospect might understand it well, so he might feel not good there about this company or this business opportunity or whatever it is. So please always do that for a successful presentation. How to stay, where to stay, which chair is mine and which chair is a prospect. Very simple. Here is you. You stay on the left side of the presenter, and the presenter is here and the customer is here. Why? The customer must always stay on the right side of the presenter. It's something related to human resources, like the half face of the right is better for newbies more than the left side of the face. So please always stay like that. It is the best way. And you should be staying here, having your paper and pen, writing anything, writing your questions, but never interrupt the customer, never interrupt the prospect. Why? Because it's the first time for him to listen to this presentation, to know your upline or to know your sponsor or to know your expert friend. So you need to make it quite simple, little smile, writing down whatever you want to write. That's it. Very simple, guys. Very simple. So your upline skills or your expert friend skills equal your future skills. Okay? So what are the presenter skills? A lot, and you will have all of them and even more. But you have to keep calm with a simple smile. Break the ice while finding the needs of the attendees. Before you start the presentation, you need to know the needs. Why do you need to make money? Why do you need to be successful in life? Why do you need to change your life? Why do you want to have your children in a better school or something? You need to know the why. You need to know the needs. So in the presentation, you can stress on those needs, like your presentation is the answer of those needs. Structure the presentation in the right way, opening with emotional connection. People love the emotions. People like it. Open with it. Explain the opportunity in the easiest, simplest way possible. I want you to always remember that people don't like complicated things. Make it easy, make it simple for them and for everybody else. Keep going back to the main point. Never get distracted. Sometimes the customer or the prospect try to ask you something far away from your presentation, trying to take you to the to the playground or somewhere else far away from your presentation. So always try to go back to the main point. You need to finish your presentation. You came today to do this presentation. You give some of your time to do this presentation to help your friend or your new member in your team in whatever company you're doing. So always keep going back. Never go anywhere else. And close with a call to action. Take action today and become one of our amazing team today. Take an action today and let's travel together to another city where we have a lot of friends together. Maybe we can go there and open a big team there. Oh, you have a big vision. You would like to go to like a resort week or somewhere with our team and our members and our newbies and our partners. Yes, I like that. We can do that together maybe in 2 months if we started working from now, from today. That's how it works, guys. Call to action. And then interact with the attendees. Start some questions early to be sure that they are focusing with you. Work on your tone low and high. When you find things somehow going far away, you can use your tone. Use your tone. When you make it low, people try to focus to know what you are saying. When you make it high, you are just waking them up so they don't sleep while you are doing your presentation. With little smile for sure. Use your body language. Use your hand, use your body, use your head, use your movement. Use your mouth in the right way. Shoulder back, eye contact, both hands must be on the table. Don't put, sometimes I see some presenter placing their hand under the table. Man, come on, what are you doing under the table with your hand? What are you doing exactly there? Do you have a problem with your jeans? Put your hand on the table. Show as a respected businessman or businesswoman. Hands should be always on the table. And hands should be always open or slightly closed, not closed. Why? Hands open or slightly closed shows that you are a respected person and somehow you are very sure of what you are presenting. Until now, I did not talk about the presentation. I'm talking about how can you sit in the right way, talk in the right way, use your tools in the right way. The human tools, I mean. Okay. Keep in mind that you don't have to answer every question asked, guys. You don't have to answer everything. Okay? If you don't know the answer, it's very simple. A graceful exit is, I don't have that information right now, but I would be happy to get it for you as soon as I can. Very simple. A nice exit to anything that you don't like to answer now. Use it. Very powerful and always work. And even this question is always forgotten, my friend. No one remember this question, by the way, that you answered with this answer. It just goes away, you know. You would like to ask to interrupt only. So we are the lions. I always like to say that. We are the lions. We have the same mindset. We are going there together, traveling the whole world. Maybe after this COVID-19, we are together again. Why? Because lions cannot be chained. I'm saying it again. Lions cannot be chained. You need to know that. We are the lions. We are here for it, for your business success, whatever your business you are doing, whatever the company you are having. whatever, cafe, restaurant, training center, marketing online, affiliate marketing, network marketing, whatever it is, e-commerce, those kind of training are very good for you. So today we have just finished the 8 basics of success. Number 4, the presentation skills. The next training is going to be the follow-up, how to follow up your prospect. If you would like to see this training, please click here on the right side on that line. You will see now a video showing for the follow-up. Take care, have a nice day, and keep it on fire. Success goes to people that always show respect to other people and push it forward to the maximum for their dreams, with their partners' dreams combined together for a better collaboration in order to achieve this success. Have a nice day. Coach Mando with you. Bye-bye.